how to recover easy money from a car crash. You've been in a car crash and you want to make some easy money. And after all, there are a bunch of attorneys out there that are ambulance chasers, so why not? Why not make easy money? Well, where did the term ambulance chaser come from? Who invented that term? How did that term come up? Well, I hate to tell you this, but that is the insurance company. And the reason why the insurance company wants everyone to believe that an attorney who helps accident victims is an ambulance chaser, because the insurance company wants the public to believe that these people are not victims and that they are not hurt and that they do not deserve any money. So in this video, even though I said I was going to tell you how to make easy money, the truth of the matter is that being in a car crash isn't easy, and there isn't a way to make easy money in a car crash. If you're going to recover in a car crash, it's because you've been hurt and you have medical treatment and you have injuries. In other words, something in your life has been taken away from you, and the money that you recover for a car crash is to compensate you for what has been taken. It's not something that's easy in any stretch of the imagination. There's just no way, because would you rather have $5,000, $10,000? Would you rather have $100,000? Would you rather have $1 million? Or would you rather have your body intact? Would you rather not have a traumatic brain injury? Would you rather not have a broken spine? Would you rather not be in pain every day? Would you rather not suffer with headaches? Would you rather not be in a wheelchair? If somebody were to come up to you and say, hey, I will give you $1 million if you sit and stay in a wheelchair every day and you'll never be able to walk again, would you really say yes? And that's the problem, is that most people would not say yes. And so I have to tell my clients that I'm never going to be able to give them back what they have lost, because being in a car crash and being injured in that car crash is truly a loss. And victims of car crashes have had their lives taken away from them. Their lives have been turned upside down. Their lives have turned into doctor's appointments, chiropractic appointments, surgeries, injections. And none of that is easy. And so what we do here at the Greer Law Group is we help people through that process, and we explain it. And we let people know how they can get relief from the pain that they suffer every day, and how doctors can help them, what procedures can help them. Some of the procedures I've been through myself, and I can tell you they're not easy. Going in for an injection is never fun. You go under anesthesia, and then you have nurses all around you. You have something put in your body that you never had planned on before. And so none of this is easy. And I really am making this video to get rid of the misconception that anyone who's been in a car crash isn't hurt and is just recovering so that they can make a little extra money. Because no extra money is going to give you back the life that was stolen from you when you are injured in a car crash.